Right. So then we get there, and all she got ready is the cornbread. Oh, hey everybody, how y'all doing? It's your boy Willie Mays here, and today we're gonna talk about a brand new exciting product just to get you in time for Valentine's Day. That's right, Valentine's Day is coming around the corner, and I got cats asking me, hey Willie, what should I get my girl for Valentine's Day this year? And I tell them simple, what has she been asking for all year, player? 9 times out of 10, she been asking for manis and pedis. So get her what she asking for, player. Matter of fact, take it a step further, do it yourself. Serve your lady and get her the smooth feet, callus, corn, bunion, and everything in between blaster. It's an electronic filer with enough power to renew the most stubborn of feet. Are you tired of her snagging the sheets every time she gets in the bed? Are you tired of having patches of leg hair missing when you wake up in the morning? Then get the smooth feet, callus, corn, bunion, and everything in between blaster. And remember, you gotta serve if you want to get yours. See, these young boys out here, they don't understand. They just out here trying to get their own. They don't know how to serve a lady. You know what I'm saying? And again, it's an electronic spinning filer with enough power to rekindle your marriage. And you can really make a toes curl. You're welcome now.
Is the elephant heavy? I'm coming back, baby.